Just left Sedona in the sun, and now we're back with a little bit of cloud in Jerome. And at this point we're heading back to Scottsdale, end of the trip. So I just want to thank the team in Australia, Peter Alexander, Peter Harvey, Chris and Tom, for helping organise this beautiful bike. And of course the team here in America, Jamie and Hayley, for helping with the logistics and getting this Springfield. It's been an extraordinary bike to ride. We've been through all sorts of conditions. Mother Nature has not been kind to us on this trip. We've had rain, snow, ice, gale force winds, the tail end of big snowstorms, sun, not very much of it, but we've had a little bit of sun, and the bike has handled every condition beautifully. We've gone into roadworks, mud where we didn't expect that to happen. There was construction going on, so I had about 3 miles of mud to contend with, which is not often easy on a big bike, but the Springfield performed beautifully. So thank you very much. I love this bike and I want one, but I will looking forward to getting back to Australia to my vintage and get on Calamity Jane again. So thank you so much for helping supply this bike on this amazing USA trip 2018.
Baby's gonna make a little living down at the circus stand. Well, he ain't no scholar, but for the extra dollar he'll use his big strong heels. His baby's gonna make a little living down by Chelsea Road. Well, she'll sell cut flowers for a few small hours and leave a sweet smell on her clothes. They can make ends meet with a good strong love and other gifts they have from the Lord above. Will find their place when the time is due, but for now they'll do what they have to do. Right now they'll do what they do. Baby's gonna make a little living down at the old folks' home. Well, there's milk, honey, biscuits, a little money for his fixing.